Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindled Blessings. We're going to paint this super little cute paddle. You guys, I took a Waverly ocean blue and mixed it with black, and we made this deep dark winter sky for the nighttime. And I went and took Waverly paint, and we are adding it and making us a cute little snowman. Super simple, you guys. It's just a two-part snowman. There's no third piece to it where there's three pieces, round pieces to make the snowman. It's just two pieces. Anyway, we're putting the white on there, making sure we got everything covered. We're going to add orange for his nose. I will go back in and add a darker orange to put underneath. I will add his little mouth and his little eye with a little dauber. And then we're going to put a cute little red scarf on him. And I kind of wrap this around, if you guys can notice. It's wrapped around the side just to give it a little something. And I painted his little scarf on. He's a looker, y'all. He's super cute. And there's his little scarf tied around his neck. And I'm not really sure. Oh, there it is, you guys. And then we will, I added a little bit of black to the red color to make the scarf a little darker than what it was. Mr. Randy just busted through the door, y'all. All that noise is. Anyway, we're making red onto the scarf. We're going to add some fringe on here. And I added a little black in with it just to give it a two-toned effect. Super easy, you guys. Anybody can do this. And then I am going in and putting the white in his eyes and the green in his eyes. And we'll give him, sorry, my head keeps getting in the way, you guys, but I have to bend over to be able to see what we're doing here. And I'm just kind of making a smile just a little bit smaller. I had a pretty big line there. And while we're letting that dry, we'll add the green. And we're just going to continue fixing him up little by little. And look how cute he's starting to look, you guys. He is precious. He is not going to have a hat, you guys. His little round head's just going to stick out right there in the winter. And then, y'all, this is supposed to be like the North Star. It looks like a cross, but it's supposed to be the North Star. I took a toothbrush and spattered white paint. I added a little bit of water to the white paint and spattered the white paint to make it look like it's snowing. And then I'm going to go back here in just a minute and we'll add a few little snowflakes. I'm just making sure everything's painted just right. Then we're going to add a few little snowflakes. I was going to add a bow, you guys, and I decided I do not like this bow. So the bow was completely cut out of that. I decided I wanted a piece of Totally Dazzled. So I found a little piece that has blue rhinestones in it. There's those little snowflakes I was telling you about. Look how precious this turned out. Anyway, you guys, have a blessed day, and thank you guys for hanging out.